FarmChem offers FlowServe Vertical Mount Pumps that you can assemble in just a few easy steps. The pump kit comes with a dip tube, a hose, and a nozzle. Before you begin assembling the kit, be sure to wrap all threaded fittings with sealant tape in a clockwise motion to prevent leaks. Also, you'll need to have an adapter or a gem cap to use these pumps. Our video will show you how to install with a gem cap, but you can use a buttress to NPT adapter as long as the dip tube is cut to length and at an angle. Both the cap and adapter are sold separately. First, insert the dip tube into the container through the gem cap and tighten. Make sure the dip tube reaches the bottom of the container. Next, screw the pump into the threads on the dip tube, then connect the discharge hose and tighten. Finally, screw on the nozzle and you're ready to use your pump. For more information on the FlowServe Vertical Mount Pump or on other FlowServe pumps, call FarmChem at 800-247-1854 or visit our store at shop.farmchem.com.